The Stavros Niarchos Foundation is one of the world's leading private international philanthropic organizations making grants in the areas of arts and culture, education, health and sports, and social welfare. Since 1996, we have committed $2.5 billion through 4,000 grants in 122 countries. Some of our most significant grants are the grant to the Johns Hopkins University in the US for the creation of the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Agora Institute, the grant to the Rockefeller University in New York for the creation of the Stavros Niarchos Foundation David Rockefeller River Campus, the grant to the New York Public Library for the complete renovation of its main circulating branch, which will reopen as the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Library, the initiative to combat the severe effects of the socioeconomic crisis in Greece. Our largest single grant so far for the creation of the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center. Based on our belief in the formation of public-private partnerships as an effective means for serving the public good, we recently announced a $238 million grant to further strengthen and help upgrade Greece's health sector. The initiative includes the construction and outfitting of the new General Hospital of Komotini, the construction and outfitting of the Children's Hospital in Thessaloniki, which will serve as a treatment hub for the whole northern Greece and Thessaly, the construction and outfitting of a new building that will be erected at the Evangelismos Hospital in order to host the chair of the university's Faculty of Nursing, as well as the procurement and installation of new equipment at the hospital, the enhancement of the capabilities of the National Center for Emergency Care's airlifting services in order to achieve comprehensive coverage of the entire country, the procurement of special medical equipment at selected medical units across Greece, support for educational programs for young doctors in relation to the treatment of trauma and hospital infections. The new grant initiative follows on the heels of a previous grant to the National Center for Emergency Care, totaling $15 million, which covered the procurement of 143 ambulances and their full service and maintenance for a period of 8 years, as well as the digital upgrade of its operations center. The new vehicles have already been delivered across the country, securing open access to healthcare for all citizens. The new grant initiative for the enhancement of the health sector in Greece is indicative of the Foundation's long-standing commitment to the country and its citizens. In the past 20+ years, we have already provided grants of more than $130 million for the support of health programs. Indicatively, we have supported the renovation of all pediatric intensive care units in the country, the construction and outfitting of hostels around Greece to host families of patients, the procurement and installation of 10 linear accelerators in 7 public hospitals, as well as the important work of the mobile medical units which provide healthcare services to residents of islands and remote areas in Greece. We support programs that facilitate the formation of public-private partnerships as an effective means for serving the public good.